Soldier ant is the worst enemy of poultry farmers. They can wipe off all your flock within the night. As the human soldiers attack, that's how soldier ants double their own attack. Because poultry farms are built outskirts of the town, mostly closer to the bush, this gives them the warranty and the opportunity to attack in a silent manner, most especially during this dry season. If you're a poultry farmer, please use motor tire and palm fruit flour. Join them together and set them ablaze in a safe place where it will not cause damage to you. The smoke that will emit from this tire, the chemicals that are used in producing this tire, has strong repellent effect on pests, ants, flies and reptiles. For the full video, watch it from my channel and drop your comments on the comment section for more further information.